In the harsh winter of 1776, the American Revolution was at a critical point. The colonial troops were struggling and morale was low. Enter Thomas Paine, a writer whose words would reignite the flames of revolution. Paine wrote The American Crisis, a series of pamphlets that inspired the troops and the nation. Let's explore some of his most powerful quotes and what they meant to the soldiers fighting for freedom. Paine began with the famous line, "These are the times that try men's souls." This powerful statement acknowledged the difficulties the soldiers faced, but also challenged them to persevere. He continued, "The summer soldier and the sunshine patriot will, in this crisis, shrink from the service of their country. But he that stands it now deserves the love and thanks of man and woman." Paine was calling out fair weather supporters and praising those who remained loyal despite hardships. His words reminded the troops of the importance of their sacrifice. Paine also wrote, "Tyranny, like hell, is not easily conquered. Yet we have this consolation with us, that the harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph." This quote encouraged soldiers to view their struggles as part of a noble cause, promising that victory would be all the sweeter because of the difficulties they endured. These inspiring words helped the colonial troops push through the bitter winter and continue their fight for independence. Thomas Paine's The American Crisis remains a powerful example of how words can inspire action and change the course of history.